In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change booking date on Agoda. If you've made a travel booking and your plans change, updating your reservation on Agoda is a quick and straightforward process. In this guide, I'll walk you through each part of the process so you can adjust your booking smoothly, avoid confusion, and stay in control of your travel plans. First, open the Agoda website and sign into your account. Look for the Login button, usually at the top right corner of the page. Enter your registered email and password to access your dashboard. If you cannot remember your password, use the Password Reset option and follow the on-screen instructions to regain access. Once logged in, go to your Profile section by clicking the account icon or your initials. This will take you to your personal settings where you can manage bookings and account details in one place. Next, select My Trips, where all your current and past reservations are displayed. This area allows you to review important information such as booking dates, destinations, and reservation numbers, helping you quickly locate the booking you want to change. Scroll through your list until you find the specific reservation that needs a date update. Once you locate it, click the option labeled Edit Dates, which will open a calendar where you can choose new check-in and check-out dates. Before confirming, take a moment to review any price changes or policy updates. Some bookings may have different rates or restrictions when modified, so it is important to check these details carefully to avoid unexpected charges. It's also helpful to always check the availability of your preferred dates before making changes, as hotel rooms and rates can vary depending on demand. Taking a few extra seconds to compare options may help you secure better pricing or more flexible booking conditions. Once everything looks correct and you are satisfied with the new dates, confirm the update. Shortly after, you will receive a confirmation email with your updated booking details. Make sure you review it carefully to ensure everything matches your request. And that is how you can easily change your booking date on Agoda without hassle. Always keep an eye on your email for updates, and if you run into any issues, Agoda customer support is available to assist you. Safe travels, and thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.